It was a great opportunity to exchange views with Mr. Kasparov and another distinguished guest from Russia, because it was a unique situation that after so-called elections in Russia, it was necessary to be good informed by independent media and independent activists. This situation in Russia after those elections is really sad, and we have problems with acceptance of these elections, because a lot of people were arrested in Russia. A lot of parties were not registered before this election, so it's really hard to say that it were fair and free elections. And this is our duty as a member of European Parliament, that to push Russian authorities and to give them a clear message that we don't agree with this kind of politics, and we would like to cooperate with free and democratic Russia. This is our aim, and it was aim to invite those people to Brussels.